In case you don't have a card, if you don't have laundry card, you need to buy it. To get the card, please insert bills as much as you need to charge and then press red button. Machine will dispense the card. In case you have a card, put card on the card charger. Insert bill in the slot as much as you need credit. See credit in display. Push the red button. It will show the credit when you put it on the dispenser. How to return your card. Precautions before use. Please do not charge Sandman 1. Please charge the amount as much as you need. Please tag the card on the reader just one time. Credit will be deducted as many as you tag the card. That's a wrap. Catch you next time.